Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Microsoft email or how to change your Microsoft account mail. So let's go to the Microsoft first. After go to Microsoft, you have to click on your info. Click on this. After clicking on your info, you have to just scroll down till you find email address and account info. You have to click on edit account info. Now you can see the email address is primary alias. You have to click on add email. Now you have to choose the email address here like an existing email which already you have an account of Microsoft uh, Outlook. Click on add alias. Okay, if it's not working you have to take another one like this. Click on add alias. If it's not working then you have to take another. Click on add alias. Okay, now you can see that this account is added, but this one is primary alias. You have to make it primary, this one. Click on yes. You can see that now the account has been switched to this one, so this one is primary right now. So this is how you can change email in Outlook or Microsoft. So if you find this video helpful then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.